Okay, because we know when you plug in -7, you get 6, we have this point. Because you know that when you plug in -7 to f prime, you know that you have a horizontal tangent line. And the spots where you have horizontal tangent lines on a graph is where the curve does this. Right here, horizontal tangent line. Or the graph does this, right here, horizontal tangent line. Or the graph does this, right here, horizontal tangent line. Or the graph goes like this, right here, horizontal tangent line. So we have all these things happening. Okay, but what else do we know about the curve if when we plug in -7, we get a -5? You want to know the most important part of that? You know that f prime is less than 0. It is negative. f double prime. So if f double prime is less than 0, what does that mean? We're concaving down, right?
Wait.
Yeah, that's what it means. Okay, so it's going downwards.
So wait, 0 with...
Sad face.
What does 0 necessarily mean when it comes to like increasing and decreasing? Like for...
That means it's neither increasing or decreasing.
So it's just like this.
Yeah, we have a horizontal tangent line. That's what that means. So which of these curves right here show you that you are concaving down at that point? Only this one. Okay, not this one, because on that one we're concaving up, and neither of these work either. Why? Because these ones are changing concavity right at that point. We are concaving up, then concaving down. We are concaving down, then concaving up. Okay, so these ones don't work either. It's only this one. So what do we know about the curve of f? We know that we have a maximum right there. And actually, this is where I'm disappointed in Khan Academy, because the answer should be that we know that there's a relative or a local max. But in Khan, the answer is just say maximum or minimum or whatever. And with College Board or with any other calculus textbook, whenever they just say maximum, you're supposed to assume that they're referring to the absolute maximum. But that's what the answer is with Khan. It's the max. Okay, so just got to ask the question, what does the graph look like when the second derivative is 0? Okay, so what happens when you have a second derivative that is equal to 0? That means you have a possible inflection point. Okay, it could be an inflection point, but it might not be. All right, and the easiest curve that I can show you is something like this. We're concaving down right here, and then right here we switch and we start concaving up. So you see how the concavity changes right there? That's what it usually means. Now, for this curve that I just drew, we also have an f prime that equals 0, but you don't always have to have that in order for concavity to change. If you look at this one right here, concavity is changing right there. We're concaving down right here, and then all of a sudden it starts changing and concaving up. First, we're trending downwards, and then we're starting to trend upwards. Does that make sense? So right here is where f double prime equals 0. Okay?